Welcome back to Nightmare Garage, everybody. We got more of a shop video going on. I'm putting a Ford 9-inch in my car. I've been waiting for this Ford 9-inch to get here for like the last 2 months or so, and I finally got all the parts for it, put it together, and it's sitting on this bench right over here. This Ford 9-inch is straight from Quick Performance. It's a aluminum center section with a 389 gear. It's got disc brakes on it. These are just their Explorer disc brakes. So we're going to yank that 10 bolt out. We're going to chuck this 9-inch in there. Should just bolt right up. And then once it's in the car, then we got to go test it. Maybe make 2 or 3 pulls. Alright, I got the rear end all unbolted out from underneath here. It's just sitting in there loose right now. So I'm going to go get some help real quick, and then I'm going to pull this thing out, and then right away I'm going to slap the new one in. This should be a pretty quick switcheroo right here. Got the old diff out. Now we're gonna go throw this one off to the side, and then go grab the 9-inch off the desk and stick it back in, just as easy as that one came out. You know, it's gonna be a breeze, an absolute breeze. We got it to fit. Right now we're just kind of bolting it all down, setting it up. I'm gonna have to measure for a drive shaft because I believe my drive shaft is gonna change in length. So far everything looks like it's gonna fit up pretty good here. Shocks aren't gonna move, everything's gonna be in the same spot. So this should go pretty quick and easy here for us. So we're going to continue to get this done. Once I got an update for you guys, I'll bring you right back. So I just finished putting this Ford 9-inch in, and I took it for a rip, and I was banging gears with it, and then when I let out, it started vibrating really hard, and it started a really high idle, like 1500 RPM. So we just did a little bit of damage. We got to try to fix it before we go to the track tonight. So I'll show you what I did. So if you look here, I pushed the gasket clean out of the freaking intake. So that really kind of sucks. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to unclamp all that gizmo, pop that sucker off, get her fixed, so we can take it to the track tonight. It's currently 1:08. We got about 2 hours to get this done, so I better get a moving on this thing, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, so I already kind of see an issue. So those 2 front bolts, I accidentally kind of lifted up on this intake a little bit, and well, she just separated. That shouldn't happen because those bolts are still in there. So I think we stripped out the 2 front ones. We're going to have to probably MacGyver those things back together. Not sure how I'm going to do that. I'm going to pop this off here real quick. I don't know if I can set you up somewhere. And the gasket's still there, so I can still save on the gasket, I think. Alright, so I'm going to go run down to the hardware store. We're going to get something that'll maybe fix on that for us. And then see if I can slam this thing back together real quick here. Alright, I found the problem. So I don't know who put this thing together or what knucklehead, probably me, assembled this. But I don't know if I was drunk that night or what happened. I had the bolts going in that way. There ain't no threads on this side. There's threads in this, but not on this side. So I don't know why the bolt's going in that way. That's really stupid. They're supposed to be in like that. So this might actually be a lot easier to fix than I thought. So I'm going to just take that out. We're going to clean everything up. Maybe carb clean the inside of the intake a little bit because she's kind of schmutzy. And then slam this thing back together. Hopefully that O-ring is still O-ringable. We got her back together, and it has only been about 50 minutes since I started that. So it actually was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. I thought there were stripped out bolts there, but there's not. So we're going to go out here. We're going to test it. We're taking Josh with us, and we're going to go bang some gears and see if it shakes and rattles and is scary like it was last time. And I'll actually put a camera in the car just for you guys. Two-step is probably set really high too. You low on fuel back there? Oh, man. Half tank. Oh, that was it. Not full of fuel. It is. Alright, you guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit short, but if you guys enjoyed it, like and subscribe. And the next video I post will be us at the racetrack. I'll see you guys later.